Hi, you have tuned in to Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. Now today I am doing a review for a company called ASOKO Indoor Motion Sensor Lights under the cabinet lightings. And this is from ASOKO, and that is spelled ASOKO. So let me show you the package. The boxing that it came in, it is well taped, okay? And I'm going to open up this box and show you what I have. Okay, so inside of this box, we do have the LED under cabinet lighting motion sensor. And this is a ASOKO series, okay? So let's go ahead on and see what we got in here. I am so excited because I was looking for me some under the cabinet lightings, okay? And it just so happened this company asked me to do a review. Wow. Okay, this is the packaging, and it comes with the USB cord, and it has 2 of the USB cable, okay? And let's go ahead on and see what else is in here. Okay. And guys, if you would like to order some of these lights, I will have everything down in the description box. The website, the links to this product, okay? And I'm going to demonstrate this to you. Okay, so I do have 2. Here's the lighting, and they are sensor, and it has a switch on the back. Okay, so you just turn that switch on. I'm sorry, it has a switch on the side. Forgive me. Okay, so you just turn that on like that, and there are the lightings. That turns off, that's off, that's on. Okay, turn it to auto, it becomes a sensor, okay? And you can put this underneath your cabinets. Okay, they do have rechargeable batteries, and you can just use this cable and recharge them. Alright, so let's see if we can install these. Okay, before we go any further, to install these underneath your cabinet, now they don't necessarily have to go underneath your kitchen cabinet, but you can just place these anywhere you like in your closet. It does not matter, just wherever you need some lighting, okay? So just keep that in mind. But right now I am going to put these underneath my kitchen cabinet, and I will show you how the bad boys work, okay? Now make sure that you charge these before you use them, okay? So you can get the full benefit. These have magnets, so I'm just going to peel this off, okay? I'm going to stick this to the magnet. There we go. It snaps on just like that. And here's the other one. It just snaps on. See how easy that is? So, I think I'm going to put one right here. Okay. I'm peeling off the other one. Stick it right on the magnet. And have the sticky part going towards the wall or wherever you're going to place this. Just like here. Okay, so I got them installed. Let's turn this to auto. Let's see. Okay, turn that to auto. We're gonna see, okay? So let's turn off all of the lights. Now we are in the dark, so let's approach these lights to see what would happen once we get near them? Look at there. They came on, guys. They are sensor, and this is what they are looking like underneath my cabinet. And I love them. I love them. Look at the lighting that's underneath my cabinet now. All right. So once again, I would like to thank ASOKO for entrusting me to review these lights for them, and I'm using them under the kitchen cabinet, and they are sensor. Make sure you have them turned on auto. And this is a wider view, so I stepped away from it, and this is what we have here. Okay, I will see you in the next video. I will see you in the future, because your future looks good on you. Bye-bye.